Welcome to our roundup of the best rear tine tillers. Whether you're preparing a new garden, breaking tough soil, or maintaining large planting areas, we've selected top-rated rear tine tillers that deliver power, durability, and dependable performance. We'll explore each model's key specifications, including engine power, tilling width, tilling depth, maneuverability, and ease of operation, to help you choose the right machine. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect rear tine tiller for your garden. The first on the list is the Super Handy Tiller Cultivator. The Super Handy Tiller Cultivator offers an attractive blend of versatility and convenience for gardeners looking to improve soil conditions without investing in a massive machine. Equipped with a compact rear tine design, powerful gas engine, and wide cultivation capability, this tiller delivers impressive performance while remaining manageable for everyday users. Its engine generates enough power to loosen compacted soil, break up clumps, and prepare planting areas efficiently while maintaining smooth operation throughout extended work sessions. Overall, the Super Handy Tiller Cultivator delivers excellent value for gardeners who want dependable soil preparation power and a manageable and user-friendly package. It is a practical choice for maintaining productive and healthy gardens throughout the year. Next up is Earthquake Victory Rear Tine Tiller. The Earthquake Victory is built for gardeners who need serious performance without stepping up to commercial-grade equipment. Featuring a powerful Viper engine, counter-rotating tines, and heavy-duty steel construction, this tiller is designed to tackle everything from established garden beds to hard-packed soil with confidence. Its reliable engine delivers strong torque for consistent digging performance, while the counter-rotating tine system aggressively cuts through dense ground and stubborn roots. Overall, the Earthquake Victory delivers an excellent combination of power, durability, and user-friendly operation. Next, we have the Novus 18-inch dual-direction rear tine tiller. The Novus 18-inch dual-direction rear tine tiller is designed for gardeners who need flexibility and power when tackling a wide variety of soil conditions. Featuring dual-direction tilling, 18-inch working width, and high-torque performance, this machine offers outstanding versatility for both new and established garden plots. The dual-direction capability allows operators to switch between counter-rotating and forward-rotating modes, providing greater control depending on the specific task and soil conditions. This flexibility makes a noticeable difference in real-world performance. Counter-rotating tines excel at breaking through hard, compacted soil and virgin ground, while forward rotation is ideal for cultivating previously worked areas and maintaining existing gardens. Overall, the Novus 18-inch dual-direction rear tine tiller offers impressive versatility, strong performance, and excellent productivity. Coming up next, we have the Earthquake 4605 Pioneer. The Earthquake Pioneer has earned a reputation as one of the most respected rear tine tillers in its class, thanks to its combination of power, durability, and ease of operation. Featuring a reliable Briggs & Stratton engine, counter-rotating tines, and instant reverse function, this tiller is built to handle demanding garden preparation tasks with confidence. Its proven engine provides dependable starting and consistent performance, helping users tackle tough soil conditions without frustration. The instant reverse capability dramatically improves maneuverability, especially when working in confined spaces or navigating around obstacles. Instead of struggling to reposition the machine manually, operators can quickly change direction and continue working efficiently. This saves both time and energy during longer gardening sessions. Overall, the Earthquake Pioneer combines powerful tilling capability, excellent maneuverability, and long-lasting durability. It remains one of the strongest choices for gardeners seeking professional-level results without the complexity of larger commercial equipment. The last one on our list is the YardMax Rear Tine Tiller. The YardMax Rear Tine Tiller takes the top position thanks to its exceptional combination of power, versatility, and heavy-duty construction. Equipped with a 212cc OHV engine, dual rotating tine system, and 18-inch tilling width, this machine is built to handle virtually any gardening challenge. The powerful engine delivers substantial torque for breaking through compacted ground, while the dual rotating tine capability allows operators to adapt performance to different soil conditions. This versatility significantly expands the range of tasks the machine can handle. The 18-inch tilling width helps maximize productivity by covering larger areas efficiently. Gardeners working with expansive vegetable gardens or landscaping projects will appreciate the reduced time required to prepare planting areas. The deep tilling performance further enhances soil quality by improving aeration and allowing nutrients to penetrate more effectively. Overall, the YardMax rear tine tiller offers outstanding power, versatility, and long-lasting durability. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening and enjoy growing your perfect outdoor space.